A zebra! Zebra! Zebra stripes are so cool. A tiger! A tiger! It's an elephant! Elephant! The elephant is a huge animal of the jungle. It's a crocodile. Crocodile. It's a giraffe. Giraffe. Gorilla. Gorilla. It's a monkey. There is a bear. Bear. A rhinoceros. Rhinoceros has very strong horns. Rhinoceros. A wolf. A wolf. It's a lion. Lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. A for alligator. A-L-L-I-G-A-T-O-R. Alligator. B is for bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. C for cat. C-A-T. Cat. D is for dog. D-O-G. Dog. E is for elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. F is for fox. F-O-X. Fox. G is for giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. H is for hippo. H-I-P-P-O. I is for iguana. I-G-U-A-N-A. Iguana. J is for jellyfish. G-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H. Jellyfish. K is for koala. K-O-A-L-A. Koala. is for lion. L-I-O-N, lion. M is for monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. N is for narwhal. N-A-R-W-H-A-L, narwhal. O is for owl. O-W-L, owl. P is for panda. P-A-N-D-A, panda. Q is for quail. Q-U-A-I-L, quail. R is for rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. S is for sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. T is for tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. U is for Uriel. U-R-I-A-L, Uriel. V is vampire bat. V-I-M-P-I-R-E, vampire. B-A-T, vampire bat. W is for whale. W-H-A-L-E. X is for Xerus. X-E-R-U-S, Xerus. Y is for yak. Y-A-K, yak. Z is for zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. A for alligator. A-L-L-I-G-A-T-O-R, alligator. B is for bear. B-E-A-R, bear. C is for cat. C-A-T, cat. D is for dog. D-O-G, dog. E is for elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. F is for fox. F-O-X, fox. G is for giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. H is for hippopotamus. H-I-P-P-O. I is for iguana. I-G-U-A-N-A, iguana. J is for jellyfish. G-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H, jellyfish. K is for koala. K-O-A-L-A, koala. L is for lion. L-I-O-N, lion. M is for monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. N is for narwhal. N-A-R-W-H-A-L, narwhal. O is for owl. O-W-L, owl. P is for panda. P-A-N-D-A, panda. Q is for quail. Q-U-A-I-L, quail. R is for rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. S is for sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. T is for tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. V is for vampire bat. V-A-M-P-I-R-E-B-A-T, vampire bat. W is for whale. W-H-A-L-E. F is for Xerus. F-E-R-U-S, Xerus. Y is for yak. Y.
A. K. Cat.
Z is for zebra. Z. E. B. R. A. Zebra.
Let us learn the alphabets along with the animal names. A. Alligator. Alligator. B. Bear. Bear. C. Cat. D. Dog. E. Elephant. F. Fox. G. Gorilla. H. Hen. I. Iguana. J. Jaguar. K. Kangaroo. L. Lion. M. Monkey. N. Nighthawk. O. Ostrich. P. Penguin. Q. Quail. R. Rooster. S. Sheep. T. Tiger. U. Umbrella cockatoo. V. Vulture. W. Whale. X. Octopus. Y. Yak. Z. Zebra.
Zebra. Zebra. Lion. Lion. Elephant. Elephant. Giraffe. Giraffe.
Cat. Dog. Horse. Horse. Goat. Goat. Donkey. Donkey. Deer. Deer. Elephant. Elephant. Zebra. Zebra. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Lion. Lion. Alligator. Alligator. Giraffe. Giraffe. Dog. Dog. Fox. Fox. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Tiger. Tiger. Impala. Impala. Jackal.